Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a very special day. I'm so excited. It is the day where we're gonna go and get Spikey's little friend. So I'm off today, gonna go through to my friend in Centurion and gonna go and pick up a little birdie. Yeah, it's gonna be such an awesome day. So I hope you guys are ready for it. But first, I need to get some breakfast because I'm super hungry. I've just ended my TikTok live and I was live on YouTube as well. So yep, let's do this day. Such a cool overcast day today, you guys. Got my hoodie on, so it's not cold, it's just really weird weather, but it's a beautiful day and I'm amped up. Gonna go and get the little one soon. So yeah, we're gonna be hitting the road in a little while, and yeah, wow, can't wait for that. Spikey, we'll see you just now. It's time to go get your little friend. Wow, 2 of them. I wonder what Spikey's reaction is going to be when I get back with the other little birdie. Spikey hasn't been in the best of moods today, but yeah, I hope that he'll enjoy his little friend and I hope they'll get along. I've got this little travel cage here, which we put the little one in when I get him, so that he's safe and the journey back home. But it's now time, I'm all set, so I'm gonna head on out. Let's hit the road and let's go get this little guy. I'm on my way and I'm so excited, you guys. This is gonna be great and I can't wait to see the little one, and I can't wait to show you guys the little one as well. So yeah, let me just focus on the road, and yeah, I'll be there in not too long from now. Know your fear that you dream of will disappear. So I think it's really a great idea to get another cockatiel, because I think little Spikey does get lonely during the day. You know, when I'm out, busy cruising around, busy slamming it, busy building my dreams for my life, you know, he's sitting there at home all alone, and it's not fair that he's alone and I'm out on the road. So a little friend is really gonna do him the world of good. Just check out this weather today, you guys. It is like typical English weather outside today, and it is, what is that? Let's see if we can focus in there. 15 degrees. It's weird that the camera makes it flat. Really, my biggest concern is about Spikey's reaction to all of this, because he's got a weird kind of a personality and he does get a little bit moody as well. So yeah, I'm just worried about his initial reaction. I hope he doesn't hurt the little one, because Spikey is at least a few months older than this little one. I'm still going to find out exactly how old the little one is. So yeah, I'll just proceed with caution and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm probably about halfway there now, so we're getting close. It's getting exciting, you guys, so I can't wait for this.
She walks hair up tight and held high, looking so fine. She talks with her eyes, that's how it is every single night. I can tell from where I'm standing, a girl like that is too demanding.
Here we are, guys, I've made it. I can hear the birds, so it's time to head on in and to go and meet the little guy. Guys, I've got a new passenger with me. It's amazing. He's so beautiful, he's so cute. So yeah, have a little look-see over there. Hey, say hello to everybody. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, you guys. What's up, everybody? Awesome. Let's get back. Let's get going. I'm so happy about this, you guys. You can see how I'm smiling. I'm just like, oh, I'm so excited. Now it's just to get home and then, yeah, introduce the little one to Spikey. And let's see how it goes. I hope Spikey's okay. I'm missing little Spikey this morning. Sure, he wasn't in the best of moods this morning, but sure, yeah. I can't wait, you guys. Oh, you're off to your new home now, little one. Hey, off to your new home. Oh, you're gonna love it there. You're gonna love it there. Look at that sweetie, you guys. Oh, we made it, little one. We made it. Let's get your seatbelt off. Oh, get your seatbelt off. And then we can take you, hey? Come, let's go. Are you ready? Welcome to your new home, little one. Hey? Ooh, what's your name? Hey? What's your name? We'll have to tell the YouTubers what's your name, hey? But they'll just have to keep on watching. Oh, yeah, up here on your spotty. Come. Come, spotty. Come. Oh, he's a birdie. He's a birdie. Who's that? Oh, it's a birdie. It's another birdie. It is a birdie saying hello you. The birdie saying hello you. Say hello the birdie. Hey, say hello. Oh, look, it's a baby, Spikey. Hey, it's a baby. Alright, you guys. Little Spikey's on my head. Come, little one. Come. Come. Oh. Come, oopsie, careful. Come. Oh. Hey. Hello. Hello, oh, you're such a beautiful. Hey. Guys, meet Coco. My new little birdie. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little baby? Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you hungry? We'll give you some formula. Little Spikey outside. Yes, you want to be inside. I know you're hungry. I know you're hungry. I'm going to give you some formula. Alright. Guys, check out little Spikey. Spikey's luck. One day he's going, the little birdie, Spikey, it's just a baby. Down. Why don't you go down? Check, I got both of them on me for the first time. Hey, Sparks. Look, there's a baby. Hey, you see the little baby? Oh, hey. There's a birdie like you. It's your friendly, Spikey. Say hi to Coco. Say hi to Coco. Hey, Sparks. Say hi to Coco. Yo, Coco's here for your friendly. Yo, your little friendly, Spikey. Yo, ooh. I wonder what's going through Spikey's head at this moment. Hey, you want some formula? You want formula? No. You need a syringe, hey? Yeah, you need a syringe, hey? Oh, you need a syringe, little Coco. Hey, Spikey, you like, what the heck? Oh, Spikey. Spikey's like, you don't want the formula, I'll have it. Hey, Spikes. Oh, this is so freaking awesome, you guys. I can't believe it. And this little one is so cute, little Coco. Oh, I love you, Coco. I love you, Coco. Oh, hey. Sure. Hey, Spikey, you're going to be a good friendly, hey? Yo. No, it doesn't even faze you. Like, Spikey's not fazed at all, you guys. He's like, I'm okay with this. Hey, you okay with this? Say hello, Coco. Say hello. Yep, so it's official, you guys. 2 birds. Spikey wants to get on my head. He says, I'm head bird, and that is my spot up there, hey? But yeah, hey, Spikes. He got up real close to Coco now, but he was, yeah. He's over there now. Let's check it out. Hey, Sparks. You just calm about it, hey? You just calm about it, Sparks. Are you eating that? Oh, Coco's eating your food. Hey, oh, shame. Look at you, Sparky. Hey. That's a little birdie. Hey, a little Coco. Hey, oh, clean his feathers. You got his tail. Hey, you got his tail, Spikey. You got his tail, Spikey. Hey, clean his tail. Clean his tail. It's your little friendly. Hey, you like that birdie? Hey, oh, you like your birdie. So little Spikey and I are sitting here and we're watching a couple of YouTube videos now. Little Coco is sleeping in the other room on the little perch, and we're just giving little Coco some time to settle in and adjust. And yeah, I'm watching one of my nature adventures and planning my trip for Sunday. I've already decided where I'm gonna go, and yeah, you guys will be able to see that video up and running in the next few days. So yeah, Spikey's pretty settled down. He's, you know, he's just chilling nicely over there. Hey, you hear that on the tube, my Spikey? Hey. Little sweet birdie. Hey, my little sweet birdie. It's almost the end of the day now, so I'm gonna get little Coco. Come, Coco. Come. I've decided that he's not going to sleep with Spikey in his cage. So what I'm going to do is just have him here in the small little one just for a couple of nights, so that he can, just so that he can get used to the place. And then I will soon enough, then if they get along well, then I'll put him in with little Spikey. Hey, get you in your new housey. Hey, are we going to record and do this at the same time? Hey, little Coco. Alright, all safely in, and yeah, ready to spend his first night here, you guys. Say goodnight, everybody. Night, guys. Well, there we go, you guys. That's it for this episode. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. And let me know down below in the comments what you think of little Coco and what you thought of Spikey's reaction to all of this. And tomorrow I'm going on my adventure, so stay tuned. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. And we'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.